Hey everybody, this video got a ignition here. I think this is from a Honda. I really pulled this out of the dirt at a junkyard. And I had a key in it, and I think it was a Honda key, but the key didn't work, the lock. This was quite a while ago, and I'm not sure what happened to the key. It's probably around here somewhere, but it was either Toyota or Honda, but I'm pretty sure it was Honda. And I hadn't really ever tried to pick car locks other than some Fords and things like that, or locks with with leashy tools that are of course made for that specific lock. I've never just tried to stick one of these tensioners in and actually pick a Japanese lock or anything. They're supposed to be harder than the Fords, and I guess I've actually picked a couple of those Chevy like commercial vans open too. Since I literally dug this out of the dirt, I sprayed some Tri-Flow in it to try to lubricate it up. So I get a little bit of a turn on it. And there's actually a spring pushing back on it, so I guess it's spring loaded. Maybe check the top here. There's definitely a spring trying to push it back. There we go. Wait, hear that? Anyway, you see that's definitely picked. So that's all the way turned over. So that would, I guess if there's no immobilizer, start her right up. And pull that back. Yeah, it snaps back, so it is spring loaded. But anyway, that's a car ignition lock. I believe it's, I think it's 8 wafers, single pin picked. Yeah, and it's using a just the Goso tensioner and the Goso weird super long diamond thing. So anyway, that'll do it for now. We'll talk to everybody later.